stand up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean, yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing, yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset, it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart.
Here we go. All right.
Dance, dance,
Now this Christmas, we're gonna dance.
we're gonna
Okay.
dance, dance, dance,
Come on.
dance. We're gonna dance, dance, have a good time. Dance, dance, all night long. We're gonna dance, dance, and have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Let's go to the ocean, yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing, yeah, isn't that amazing? In
Hey guys, welcome back
Christmas.
to day 13 of Vlogmas. So today is Tuesday the 21st? Yep, the 21st, and I'm just plugging in my Fitbit. But today I'm going to do my errands. I finally got together my Christmas list of my meals that I want to bring. So I have to go get the groceries for that, and I have to finish up stockings. Well, only one stocking, Derek's stocking, and then I had Ruger's gifts. We only had a ball for him so far, but I had that in my closet and he found it, so I had to give it to him. So I want to go to Pet Value and get him something else. But my dad bought a bunch of straw bales for the party that they had, and then he brought them to my party on Sunday, which turned out so good. It was really fun. I was really happy. But anyways, I'm selling them on Marketplace, so some guy's supposed to come in 40 minutes and get them, so I can't leave until then. So I'm just gonna take Rug out, and it does not feel like Christmas this year. Last year was also a weird year, but it felt more Christmassy last year than this year. I can't believe Christmas is only a few days away. It literally does not feel like it whatsoever. So it's just how it is this year. So we're just gonna go back out and have a little play until that man comes, and then I'm gonna head to town. Okay, I just got back from town. First of all, that guy did come and get the straw bales, and then they actually like saw these blocks in the yard that were here when we bought the house, and she's like, can I buy those too? I'm like, yeah, you can. I don't know where to put my tripod. But so I was in town and I was gonna go hang out with my friend, and then I was like, you know what, maybe we should hang out outside because of everything that's happening right now. So I didn't have anything with me, so I got these mittens. These are all from Giant Tiger. I got these mittens. They were really warm. I got this hat. I didn't end up wearing it, but I put it on in the car and I think it looks funny. Actually, it's not that bad. It's just this that's kind of weird. And then I got these socks that I also didn't end up wearing, but they look really warm and they have like fleece in the inside, and they're just plain gray. They're the most normal ones. Oh, I didn't even know they had checkers on them, and then these ones are just like this. But I will have to take Ruger out, so I'm gonna put these on. And then I got a package from Zara. I ordered, I tried on just the high racer back black bodysuit at the store, but they didn't have a medium, they only had a small. So I ended up getting a medium, so I hope it fits me. Oh, cute packaging. So it's just this black bodysuit. And I have, ooh, look how low the armpits are. I don't know if you can see, but go down super low. So I have to try this on later, but that is questionable if you want to wear a bra. And then I ordered these really cute black boots because I don't have any black booties, and they're coming on Thursday because we're supposed to go out for dinner next week for my friend's birthday, whether that will happen or not. But I want to wear like an all black, like really cute outfit, so I'm gonna wear that with probably some black ripped jeans. But I'll show you the boots that I got. So they're just like that, just a little heel on them. I thought they're really cute, so hopefully they fit. And yeah, off Amazon, because I looked at other stores, but I didn't want to have to deal with like ordering them and then them not fitting and then returning, whereas I know Amazon returns are so easy. So I'm just gonna take Rug out, and then I haven't heard from Derek yet, and he normally calls me on his way home. So probably means he's not on his way home yet, but then I have to make dinner. I took out chicken, and I have no idea what I want to make yet. I didn't even look at the size of these. Fit set 6 to 10, okay. Honestly, I don't really love the color of these, but they all have red in them, and I don't really particularly enjoy red, but anyways, it was good. I had fun talking to my friend. We sat far apart, so I feel like really good for Christmas now. I'm not seeing anyone else except for our families on Christmas, so if everything goes well, but we'll see how it goes, and I'm just gonna go out now.